Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another polybag, and for this one, it's Polybag 30055. This is a Star Wars Vulture Droid. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I am planning on doing one of these polybag build-alongs every day for the foreseeable future. And you may also want to subscribe if you like Swiss Army knives and pocket gadgets and that kind of stuff, because I do videos about those as well. Anyway, if you want to build along with me for this set, I've included links in the description for where you can find this particular set on Amazon and Bricklink. And also, I've included the brick set description. I've included the brick set description if you just want information about the set. There is also a link in the description for a Google spreadsheet that has information about the previous polybag build-alongs I've done, as well as future ones. So you can check that out if you're interested as well. This is kind of strange so far, but I'm game. We'll give it a shot. Alright. So we got this so far, and then we flip it over, and then we add... I don't have any gray ones, so I'm guessing these are supposed to be black. I guess they must be intended to be black. Alright, so put these two on, and then put those on to give them some extra support, I'm assuming. Take care of that. And takes care of this one. So next, I'm going to build that thing. So take this, and this, and a bit of blue. So blue 1x2, and then we put two of these little blue pieces right there, and right here, like so. And this attaches in the middle, right there. Alright, so it goes like this. Alright, so got that. Now the next thing we gotta do is you gotta build this thing. So take this and a cheese wedge. Up. You line them up. Yeah, there we go. And this piece right there. And the colors for these instructions are really weird. I'm kind of having to guess because there's no gray arm. There's just the black ones. So got that. So we clip it like this, like so. So it goes like that. Alright, we'll come back to this one. So this clips right here. Now we do this part. We do two of these. Okay. So we're doing two of these. And again, these look gray to y'all, right? It's not just me being a little bit weird. Okay. So these clip together like this, and clip together like this. And then one and two. And one. Make sure these are right. Yeah. And one and two, like so. Let those, and then end pieces. This is an odd build. I feel like they've gone a long way to get these weird shapes. I might have skipped a step too. Alright. So this one should be this. It should be right here. Like that. And like this. And same thing for this one. Like so. And like so. Like that. So that gets these two to right here. And then we add in these little 1x2s. Right here. Like that. And then once again, here and here. Forget that. And here and here. Got that. And then we put little vents on. Like that. Alright. And then they clip right here. That's super weird, by the way. So, this is the Vulture Droid? Huh. Alright, I mean, it looks interesting. This one seems, I don't know, they did some strange build stuff with this one though, didn't they? I mean, it's interesting looking for sure. I don't know, oh, extra pieces wise? We got these extra. Anyway. I tell you what's kind of interesting. This reminds me of like a Cylon. One of the Cylon fighters from the new Battlestar Galactica. Huh. I don't know. By new Battlestar Galactica, I mean the one from like, I don't know, however many years ago it was. Not the one that had Lorne Green in it. The one with crap, I can't remember his name now. Anyway, the one where Starbuck was a woman instead of a man. It kind of does look like those Cylon fighters, though, doesn't it? Anyway, I don't know. This one struck me as kind of a weird build. The end result looks kind of neat. I mean, I like the look of it, but it was odd getting there. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.